You need to go outside? Yes?
All
right.
You're supposed to be,
Help me up.
you're supposed to be careful with knives. They're definitely not toys.
Ooh.
Huh?
Come here.
What the,
Ben,
yeah, what was that?
come here. Help me.
That's what I thought. Yeah. Did you go to a game or something?
Okay.
Oh, is it Bentley?
Mama's taking me out.
Is it? Oh, that's cool.
Okay, let me get my keys. Can I borrow your key? Can I borrow your key?
Think how fast that is, but professional baseball people throw it over 100 miles an hour.
I'm taking a Bentley. Oh, you're on the phone. Sam's here. I'll take a Bentley.
So we go get our packages.
Sam, you want to go for a walk? Or you want to rest?
I'll rest for a little bit.
Okay.
Here, you can have his keys. Okay.
I should have to start heading to work actually.
Right now?
It's 4.
Oh, maybe we grab my purse then? We can drive him.
Yes. Well, in that case, you guys don't have the key. I guess you guys have your own key then.
Here, you're supposed to be helping. Bentley, come here. Back it up. Thank you. That helps me much more. Thank you. I'm not holding onto the wall to get to the door. Okay, stand. Good boy. Let's get you dressed. Okay. I got this side. Baby, can you get the other side?
So, well, I guess we just go ahead and go.
Yeah.
Let's start doing our stuff, I guess.
And some errands.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, see, I'll put them all in that. All those clothes are in there.
Okay, look at the door.
I go. It's a friend baby. Your hat?
Good boy. You hear people? Yesterday we went into Target, and I wish that I had a camera on my back.
Yeah?
Because we came out of one aisle and there were 3 or 4 families that clearly
Stood like in a horseshoe situation. Just everybody stopped and stared. And like, it was on the bread aisle. I was getting the hot dog buns. I turned around, it was like there's people everywhere.
just congregated. It would have been a cute moment.
That's really cute.
So I get a camera just to have on my back. So I can just like move like this.
Yeah, all that video. Well, we can also,
It was very
when we go
cute.
to, whatchamacallit, and look at how much like the little, aren't GoPros like where you can download videos and stuff on your YouTube channels? Yeah. Because they have the little vest things that you can put, and so you can wear it on your chest.
That would make more sense. When I hold it, I get like a third of his face.
But that's also why what that one guy would let him walk in front of him a lot.
Yeah.
You wouldn't be able to really do that with Bentley.
No.
Or maybe it'd be better if someone else was wearing pickup trucks like me. So we get the whole.
It's fun to see people's facial expressions.
Oh, we could. Why not just lock it? Unbelievable.
It wasn't locked?
I guess not. Oh no, I just turned the key the wrong way. I just turned the key like I was locking it instead of unlocking it.
Oh. I don't know where you're going, Bentley. All right. Here, will you trade with me, baby? Don't drive.